Happy Friday. Let me get comfortable in my chair. Man, I hope you had a good week. Due for another video, and today is impulse scanner testimonials, but it's, a little patting on the back, testimonials on my assistants, our entire team, but the focus is really on this impulse scanner. It is taking our team by storm. It's taking the internet by storm. It is a trading scanner that helps identify trend, go up or down. And I just wanted to show you all the success stories, all the support that you get in our community. So first thing is first, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give me a thumbs down. If you are ready to join us after watching this video, the link to join our trading team is below. You get access to the scanner, a Discord community, a team training website, a couple Q&As a week, and access to me, a trader that's been going on 6.5 years and making money online for 25. All right. If you need more information and you want to get inside of a free Facebook group where we've got more content, by all means, reach me. Email, TikTok, Facebook, whatever the case may be. And as I keep waving my hands, yes, everything is below this video. So I did this little slideshow presentation because I want to show you all the success that we are having as a trading team. It is mind-blowing, and it is the perfect time if you want to take your trading to another level. This impulse scanner is amazing. We have a couple different strategies. One's an impulse, a scalping strategy, and the other is a fair value gap trading strategy that is absolutely mind-blowing. We're a team that's going on our 8th year. I got enough fingers up, right? 8. And the majority of that time has been with Smart Money. We are Smart Money experts, and this impulse scanner is helping members become successful trading faster. And that's the key, right? So I just want to show you some of the testimonials. That's what this video is for. Just take a look at the mind-blowing that's going on in our trading and community, okay? Let's frickin' go, all right? So this person is a personal member of my team. Let me move my face here. Kept going, closed the day, day one, okay, maybe you had a good day, but now it's like 15 days in a row, so it's not luck. Kind of scratching my head, to be honest. I don't really wait happening, and on top of that, you have the compounding on that. Don't think, just keep going. Yeah, that's right. When you're having success at trading, just keep going. You must be doing so right. You are the best brother, forever thankful. And again, not a little patting on my back. I love helping people become successful traders. And this person is absolutely having great success. I am so happy for him. But again, ton others. Your help worked. Thanks for the little things. Cheers. Thomas. Yes, it's congrats. There's a bunch of wins that he was having. He's still working, currently trading 30 minutes a day. And these are the results. Blankety blank, my excuses. I don't really have the time. That blankety blank, yes it is. Anyone can do this. Keep crushing it, right? This is perfect for folks that think, oh, I got a full-time job. Oh, I've got a family. Oh, I've got baseball practice or rugby practice at night. Nope. The scalping strategy, you can identify pairs. You can see my other content on YouTube or reach me. You can identify potential pairs to trade in 3 minutes. So saying that I got to sit in front of the charts all day, wrong answer. 3 wins so far on my first day scalping on the 1 minute. Amazing. Absolutely fantastic. Brian, another big fat bonus to the strategy is Josh and Brandon, who are the creators of this impulse scanner, refer to it constantly during their sessions and have many recordings in the archives that deal with it either directly or indirectly with stop losses and that sort of thing. You want to know more? Dig deeper and just see the pros working this every day. Yes, that's correct. Besides the support that we provide you, the creators of this particular software go live 3 times a day, and you have access to the recordings if you can't make it. After trading for over a year, blew a couple of small accounts and stumbled through many strategies from FX gurus. I am thankful to be here and wish I had made the decision of joining the team earlier. Looking forward to master the strategy. Yes! Let me tell you something I hear this all the time, right? Because 96% of our team are just traders. There's only 3 or 4% like myself that we want to reach a bigger audience and help grow our team. All right. And I hear this all the time. They just hippity hop to the barbershop and never make any money trading. We are a team that changes your future if you do one of 2 things. If you do both things, excuse me. You don't quit and you follow what we lay out. If you do both those things, you cannot lose. All right. Andre or Andrew, Very well, thank you. Not a newbie to trading. Been around a very long time, on and off, but love your work and effort to put in to help people. It's great to see. Keep up the good work. Covered his name. Today, another win. Love it. Great job. Here's a chart. Tap the middle of imbalance. Happy for you, brother. Thanks, mate. And, of course, my pleasure. Man, I tell you, I don't know what type of technology is this impulse scanner, but something serious, brother. Never had this consistency before. What's amazing about this impulse scanner is there are always updates. Always. There's so many logins per day. It's just an amazing piece of software that I encourage you to reach out, okay, if you want more information. Check my other YouTube videos. There's plenty of content on it. But the big part of trading, folks, is it going to go up or is it going to go down, right? That's like half the battle, right? Then there's risk management, follow simple rules to decide when to get in, when to get out, etc. But that's half the battle. Is it going up or is it going down? Wish you a great week, brother. 6 or 7 for me last week. That is amazing. Great job. The training is going quickly since I'm not a complete newbie. I'm loving every minute of it. It is exceptional and delivered in just the right segments. I'm happy I joined and kicking myself for not doing it sooner. Yep, we hear this all the time. Why didn't I join a week ago? Me personally, all right? In fact, you might be getting a copy of this video. If you have reached me and you have not gotten off the fence, we have so many people that have gotten off the fence and have joined, but there's still those folks that are like, oh, I don't know how to trade or trading. I've never been successful trading. Well, let me tell you something. There's a reason we've been a team going on 8 years. Period. 8 years. You won't find that online. Ever. Never. Team, company, nothing. All right? Here's a point. This is back in January. We're now much more than that. 6,000 members. All right? We're a couple months later. Here's a specific trade. Whoops. Oh, too fast. Oh, well, I'm going way too fast. Yeah, the scalping strategy is definitely a game changer. It's boosted my confidence. I was just thinking earlier how far I've come and how much this has helped me in life. Let me back this up. Chris, the best tool out there. Just got to say I'm so happy I finally made the right move. From signal group to signal group, wondering why I was never getting any results. This is the community and team I've been searching for. And now that I'm here, I see the power of everything that's offered is way more than a few dollars worth, valued and educated every single day. I am seeing results now. All right? Let me tell you, I talk to folks all the time about the challenges of trade signals. Check my other video out on YouTube where somebody lost $30,000 because he had been sitting on the fence about joining our trading team. And he's been watching us for a couple of years, me specifically. Still didn't get over the fence. Tried to get him in. He's lost $30,000 because he was taking trading signals. Okay? Absolutely amazing. So anyway, this is the one trade that I missed. AUDCHF. This is a 5-minute. Okay, just an example of one of the winning trades. So let me bounce ahead here. All right, we saw that one. I'm definitely telling my friends and daughter about this, like to show my teenage grandchildren. Okay, I mean, this is a skill we're passing on to generations now. Mike, it can't be put into words how awesome this thing is. All right. I'm doing great, brother. I'm using scalping strategy for training. It was really great. It feels like cheating with the impulse scanner. Oh man, Jeff, this new scalping stride. Man, I just can't talk today, folks. Sorry. Oh man, Jeff, this new scalping stride is crazy. I've took 5 trades since Monday and won all 5 trades. That's insane. And it's so easy too. And of course, that's amazing. Awesome. Told you, brother, right? Because sometimes people need to hear it. You can do this. And looking at it now, he's crushing it. Follow the strategy. Impulse scanner scalping will increase your win rate. Join us on Discord and see what we're doing. So this is an image from the impulse scanner. And again, more videos that you can check out. And this is somebody, and I think we have one more. Yeah. Provides enough. Join us on Discord. So we have members helping members inside of our Discord community. Okay? And this person is doing the fair value gap. See that? FVG. So, and we have people doing the scalping, and we have people doing smart money. We have folks helping other folks. I've really been following your posts for a long time, and I love your attitude. You have a winner's attitude. I think we were talking like 9 months. Well, anybody who's seeing me, if you're seeing this on others, follow me on Facebook. It is about taking anything in life to another level, right? You can use, anything in your past to stop you from making progress in the future. Or you can say, okay, that's in the past. What can I do now to improve my situation for me and my family? All right. There's no better community. There is no better leaders than the leaders in ATH. Leaders can't do enough to help you with your journey. And another person having success. Imagine that. We just keep doing it. I'm following Simon's impulse at present, still loving it. So glad I joined. God bless. And that is it. All right. So I kind of stumbled through some of those. I apologize, but this is the message in the video. If you have not joined us, join us. Right? There is a 7-day money-back guarantee. If you get in, you don't like it, it's not for you, you can reach out, get all your money back. But I guarantee you, you're not going to do that because you're going to be blown away. So again, access to the Impulse Scanner and the educators sessions that go live 3 times per day and the recordings. Okay? You get access to a private Facebook group with our team, as you saw, over 6,000. It's probably like 6,200, 6,300 now. I haven't looked recently. You get access to our Discord community. You saw a couple images from there that people are helping other people in our community. All right. You get access to our team training website. We do Q&As on Tuesdays and Thursdays where our leaders stay on and you can post questions. You can even post it on our Discord if you can't make it live. The leaders will answer every single question start to finish. And if they're on 2 hours, they're on 2 hours. They're going to answer every single question because they're dedicated to your success. And, of course, me as your sponsor, anybody that knows me knows I'm a bulldog. I'm going to help you to become successful trading as long as you don't quit on yourself and you follow what we lay out. All right? If this is something for you, reach out ASAP. Now is the time. Now is your time. And we're just going to have an amazing spring here using this Impulse Scanner. So reach me. If for some reason you didn't like this video, give me a thumbs down. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe for more content, right? Impulse Scanner, trading, all that, scroll below. If you are ready to start right now, right this minute, and you don't need to talk to me at all, the link below is to join. You get access to the Impulse Scanner. Then reach me through the various methods, Facebook, email, even my phone. Say, Jeff, I'm in. Let's go. Plug me into the rest of the resources that we set up away from the Impulse Scanner to help you become successful. Okay? That's it. Have a great day. See you on the flip side.